We're supposed to be doing Shop My Stash 2023, but I had to come in here and get some yarn. So come along with me. Let's go ahead and take this ride together, and I'll show you a little snippet of the store since you're shopping your own stash. So I'm sure you would like to know what I got out of Michael's today. I got all of this yarn. I was not trying to get this much, but I did. So let me show you what's in the bags. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with these lovely cinnamon swirl cakes. This is a medium weight 4. And this is called, oh my goodness, tortoise shell. Very fitting. Nice rich brown color. You're going to see that mustard and that cream color. Very, very nice. I loved it. I mean, it has other colors in there as well. But I paid, well, first of all, they are $12.99 each. And I did get the military discount, which is 15% off, which I'm very grateful for. And so these came to $11 and let's see, this is a swirl cake and 4 cents. Also, this is another cinnamon swirl cake. Can't wait to work these up. I mean, look at that. It's showing a beautiful shawl right there. And I can't wait to do a shawl. Maybe not that pattern, but a shawl period, just to see how the colors play out. So this is 407 yards. It's 8 ounces and 227 grams. These are 100% acrylic. And this blue one here is called Bay. Very beautiful with that lime, that pop of lime green. You're going to get that light gray and the light blue color in there. Very pretty. Let's see if I got another one. I think that's it. I went ahead and got a blossom. That's what it is. I got the blossom cakes, which was new. Now, I'm pretty sure that you may have seen other people show these. I wanted to see for myself and get a nice feel for it. It is a soft yarn. It's buttery soft. It has a nice halo to it. And this particular one is called Radiant Rainbow. And it has 481 yards, which is 440 meters. Oh, this is pretty. So you're going to need a 5mm for the knitting needles and a 5mm for the crochet hook, US. So you're going to get 61% cotton and you're going to get 39% acrylic with this. And what did I pay for it? $11.05. This is also $12.99 regular price. Okay, I will say in advance, excuse the rattling, but I will have to go through these bags right here because I got a lot of Craft Smart yarn. And for those of you that saw the All in the Family cowl that I'm working on right now with Butterfly Dreams Crochet and More, and also with Steele's Show Crochet and More, they are hosting it. I needed to make sure that I got some more yarn, so I got this leaf green. But in my next video, this is leading up to my next video, I'm already using this leaf green for another cowl. And the reason why is because I didn't have the green or a green color that I liked in my stash, and that was acrylic. That's why I went to the store. That's why I didn't shop my stash, because I didn't have it and I needed it. When I got to the Michaels, they only had this one leaf green. I know I need some more, and if I don't, I'll probably end up for the second cowl that I will be talking about in my next video. I will be using this right here. It's already in progress. I'll just have to show you all. So if you're not familiar with Craft Smart, this is a wonderful yarn. To me, this is a workhorse yarn. Say workhorse yarn. Just like Red Heart, and it's a medium weight 4. It is 100% acrylic, and it's very, very soft. It is easy to work with. Now, typically they are $3.99. I got it for $3.39 with my discount. So this is leaf green. I will be using leaf green in both of the cowls. All right, so that's one. They are 354 yards, which is 7 ounces. It's 324 meters and 198 grams. This color is called Coral. Very, very beautiful. I also got another clay. Clay is what I'm using at All in the Family blanket. And I know that Jeannie had mentioned that it may be possible that we may need one extra skein, and I'm thinking it's going to be the clay. So since I saw it, I just went ahead and grabbed it so I'd have it. Catch it. All right. So this little baby right here, I saved this one because this was the only one in the stash. I say in the stash, in the store. I'm thinking about my stash right now. But this was the only one in the store. But you can see that they taped it up and it looks kind of discombobulated. But I had to have it because I love these colors. In my next video, you'll understand why I picked this. This is Impeccable yarn. Impeccable is soft to the touch. You really like it. It's made by Loops and Threads. See how much I paid for this. Impeccable stripes is normally $4.99. You probably saw that as I was perusing that aisle. And I got it for $4.74. And you would use a 5mm hook. And in my other cowl, I am using a 5, which is wonderful. This is called Terracotta Stripe. And this is 160 yards, 3 ounces, 146 meters, and 85 grams. Beautiful hot pinks. And you're going to get your nice pop of yellow and that beautiful rose pink color peeking out in there. I love it. And when I tell you about what I'm working on next, then you'll understand why I had to save this skein, because it was the only one that was on the shelf and the only one left. And look, it had surgery, y'all. You can see the tape. All right. Next, I have 3 more of the Craft Smart. This is very pretty. It's called Raspberry. Remember, I got these for $3.39 for 354 yards, which is 7 ounces, and 324 meters, which is 198 grams. This is a medium weight 4, and the recommended hook size is a 5.5mm hook, which is an I9. I had to get this. This is a gorgeous color. 100% acrylic. And this is not a splitty yarn. So if you're thinking about that, I'm going to tell you right now, this is a good yarn to have in your arsenal. All right. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle. It says do not bleach, but you can tumble dry on low with this. All right. So I had to get this green. This is very pretty. It's called Ivy. It's a really deep green. I need to pull it back a little bit because this is more of a Christmassy green. It may come across as a lighter shade, but this is a genuine emerald green. Emerald green. Beautiful. I need that. And last but not least, this beautiful pastel yellow color. It's called Butter. Well, not butter, but butter. Yes, it's a beautiful baby yellow. Anybody that wants to do or needs to do a baby blanket, if you want to do a baby blanket on a budget, this would be very pretty with the Craft Smart with yellow and white. I think, yes, you'd be on to something. They have other lighter colors and shades as well, but I just wanted to say that. And keep in mind, it's 354 yards and you're spending $3.99. I spent $3.39 because I got my 15% discount. But I'm pretty sure you can get a 20% off discount. And some people say that you can use 2 coupon codes or whatever. But I was happy just to get the military discount. So I wasn't really worried about that today. But I wanted to make sure that I shared this small haul with you. And I look forward to seeing you on the YT streets. Thank you for tuning in. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.